Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to create and edit a notification template in the staff portal. It's simple. To begin, go to the navigation menu and click on Communication. Then select Notification. Once you're in the Notification section, click on the Notification Template tab to view and manage templates. Click Create Template. This will open the template setup page. Choose the right module here. This helps define what the notification is about. Then pick from the Module Actions dropdown. This is where you specify its reason. Next, type your message. You can also add dynamic value by selecting codes here. If you'd like this template to be the default for the selected action, check the default box. Once you've completed the setup, click Save to store your new notification template. After saving, you'll see the newly created template listed here. Now I'll show you how to edit them. We're still at the Notification Template tab. Next, find the template you want to modify from the list, then click the Action menu. Hit the Edit option. In the template editor, update the message text right here. When you've made all your changes, click the Update button to save them. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.